A very warm welcome to this web-based course on vocal music for graduate students. This course has been developed by the faculty members of the Department of Music, Faculty of Arts, the Dayalbagh Educational Institute, a university situated in Agra. This course is a part of the National Mission on Education through Communication and Information Technology under a project with the Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India. As a part of the introduction to the course, I would like to clarify a few points. This course is of vocal music and it is for graduate level students. It will attempt to cover 5 main ragas. A special feature of this course is that through intensive practice and group teaching, an awareness will be created in students. It has been found that due to a rigorous examination system and a strict curriculum in colleges and universities, students don't get enough time for practice. But practice is the lifeblood of music as an art and as a skill. This will be given special importance in this course. The first unit to the course begins with Swar Abhyas. This involves the practice of swara through 10 Ashray ragas. Unit 1, Swar Abhyas, practice of Aroh and Avroh of 10 Ashray ragas. These are Kafi, Khamaj, Purvi, Asavali, Todi, Marwa and Bhairavi. This unit will also include practice of alankars in Rag Yaman and Rag Bhairav. Unit 2. This includes Drut Khayal with Alap and Taan in Ragas Yaman, Bilawal, Bihag, Bhairav and Bageshri. This unit also includes 1 Vilambit Khayal in any of these ragas. Unit 3. This includes 1 Drupad and 1 Dhamar in any of the mentioned ragas. Unit 4. This will include 1 Bhajan and 1 Lok Geet. The last and the 5th unit will include Theka and Lekari in Teen Tal, Jhap Tal, Ek Tal and Char Tal. We now move to the classroom where our expert will take over. Thank you.
Jati, category of raga which depends on the usage of swaras of a raga in ascending and descending order. Jati is called category with whom a raga is classified. Jati has 3 types such as Sampurna Jati, Shadav Jati and Audav Jati. Sampurna Jati, 7 swaras in Aroha and Avroha. A raga having all 7 swaras in Aroha and Avroha belongs to Sampurna Jati. For example, Rag Bhairav belongs to Sampurna Jati as it has all 7 swaras in Aroha and Avroha. Shadav Jati. 6 swaras in Aroha and Avroha. A raga having 6 swaras in Aroha and Avroha belongs to Shadav Jati. For example, Rag Mangal Bhairav belongs to Shadav Jati because Ga is not used in Aroha and Avroha of Mangal Bhairav, such as Sa Re Ma Pa Dha Ni Sa Sa Ni Dha Pa Ma Re Sa. Odav Jati. 5 swaras in Aroha and Avroha. A raga having 5 swaras in Aroha and Avroha belongs to Odav Jati. For example, Raga Vrindavani Sarang belongs to Odav Jati because Ga and Dha are not used, such as Sa Re Ma Pa Ni Sa Sa Ni Pa Ma Re Sa. Division of Jatis. There are 9 types of Jatis further on the basis of Aroha and Avroha. Sampurna Jati. In Sampurna Jati, we have 3 types, such as Sampurna Sampurna, Sampurna Shadav, and Sampurna Odav. In Shadav Jati, we have again 3 types: Shadav Sampurna, Shadav Shadav, and Shadav Odav. Odav Jati, we have 3 types again, such as Odav Sampurna, Odav Shadav, and Odav Odav. Names of Indian classical musical notes. Sanskrit name Shadja. It is sung as Sa and written as S. Rishabh. It is sung as Re and written as R. Gandhar. It is sung as Ga and written as G. Madhyam. It is sung as Ma and written as M. Pancham is sung as Pa and written as P. Dhaivat. It is sung as Dha and written as DH. Nishad. It is sung as Ni and written as N. Now, let me explain about That, which stands as the structure, and Raga, which stands as the mode of Indian classical music. Let me explain about That first. What is a That? The literal meaning of That is personality or outer appearance. The distinctive features of That. A That should always be Sampurna, that is, it should possess 7 swaras or musical notes. These 7 swaras should be in perfect order, such as Sa, Re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni. A thought must be capable of giving birth to a raga. A thought is not supposed to have both aroha and avaroha. Rather, it has only an aroha of 7 swaras. A thought can include komal and tivra forms of the same note. Musical notes of each thought. Bilaval. Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa. All swaras in Bilaval are natural or shuddha. Kalyan. Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa. All swaras are natural except ma, which is tivra. Khamaj. Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa. All swaras are natural except ni, which is komal. Bhairav. Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa. Here we have re and dha komal. All other swaras are natural. Kafi. Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa. Here we have ga and ni komal and other swaras are natural. Asavari. Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa. We have ga, dha and ni komal and re is shuddha, ma is also shuddha. Purvi. Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa. Here we have re komal, dha komal and tivra ma is also there. Gandhar and nishad are natural or shuddha. Marva. Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa. Here we have re komal and madhyam tivra. All other swaras are natural or shuddha. Todi. Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa. In Todi we have re, ga and dha komal. Ma is tivra and ni is shuddha. The last one, Bhairavi. Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa. Here we have re, ga, dha, ni, all 4 swaras komal, whereas madhyam is shuddha. What is a raga? A raga means that which gives us pleasure and ultimately leads to spiritual sublimity. Here are the distinctive features of raga. Any and every tune cannot be called a raga unless it obeys the following distinctive conditions. Every raga must belong to its janak thought. A raga should have at least 5 swaras and maximum 7 swaras. For this purpose, they have been allotted jati, such as the ragas having 5 swaras belong to Audav jati, having 6 swaras belong to Shadav jati, and having 7 swaras belong to Sampurna jati. These 3 jatis further give birth to interrelated 9 kinds. Every raga must have its Vadi, Samvadi, and Anuvadi swaras. Vadi is the chief swara. Samvadi is next to Vadi in importance, and the remaining swaras are known as Anuvadi. After the structure and the mode of Indian classical music, let me introduce styles. We have number of styles in Indian classical music. Classical music based styles are Dhrupad, Dhamar, Khyal, Tarana and Tappa. Semi-classical music based styles are Thumri, Dadra, Kajri, Chaiti. Through these styles, ragas are sung, expressed and explored. What is a khyal? The term khyal means imagination, and it is the most important form of musical composition for the last 200 years and more. It has almost monopolized the attention of the best musical brains. Khyal was the product of the combination of musical style of Hindus and Muslims. It was liked by both. Soon it became very popular with the rulers and courtiers to enjoy its popularity even to this day. As against Dhrupad and Dhamar, it is more imaginative than technical. In this type of singing, the rules are relaxed. The compositions of khyal are more romantic, and an artist can add one's own his or her imaginative patterns in this form. The khyal has two varieties, such as the Vilambit or Bada Khyal and Drut or Chota Khyal. By now, you have come to know about elementary terms, structure, mode and style, that is, khyal of Indian classical music. Now, I am going to explain the Indian names of universal musical notes. Universal musical notes: C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Si, Do. Indian musical notes: Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Dha, Ni, Sa. These are natural notes or Shuddha swaras. If we change Shuddha Re to Komal Re and Shuddha Dha to Komal Dha, we get the swaras of Rag Bhairav. But only these swaras do not make Rag Bhairav. There are other characteristics also which establish Rag Bhairav, such as distinctive features of Rag Bhairav. Rag Bhairav, Thaat Bhairav, Jati Sampurna, Vadi Dha, Samvadi Re, Swaras Re and Dha Komal. Rest of the swaras are Shuddha, Varjit Swara, no one, Nyas swaras, Dha, Re, Pa and Ma. Similar ragas, Kalingada and Ramkali. Time to sing: early morning. Bhairav is one of the oldest ragas of Indian classical music. We find its references in all old musical books. It is one of the 6 old ragas which have been mentioned as raga and ragini scheme in our old Indian treatise. Its Vadi swara is Dha, which is used mostly, and Samvadi is Re. Rag Bhairav is sung in early morning, that is, between 4 to 7 am. It is therefore called Morning Sandhi Prakash Raga. It is of very serious nature and has the same effect on the listeners. Vilambit and Drut Khyal suit in Rag Bhairav the most. Drupad and Dhamar are also sung in this raga. Rag Bhairav is an Ashray Rag of its That Bhairav. Rag Bhairav uses Re and Dha Komal. These two swaras Re and Dha are used as resting notes and stressed again and again, which indicate Bhairav. For example, Ga ma re sa, ga ma dha pa. Sometimes Pancham or Pa is not used in its Aroha, such as Ga ma dha ni. Mostly Gandhar or Ga is Vakra in its Avroha, such as Ma pa ga ma re sa. Aroha and Avroha of Rag Bhairav is Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa, sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. Particular note combination is Ga ma dha pa, ga ma re sa. So students, you have come to know about the theoretical and partly practical part of Rag Bhairav. In the next lesson, you will be learning fundamental practical aspect and compositional part of Rag Bhairav, which belongs to Drut Khyal or Chota Khyal or Bandish.
We'll be revising the previous lesson. What is a That?
A That. The literal meaning of That is personality or outer appearance. The distinctive features of That. A That should always be Sampurna, that is, it should possess 7 swaras or musical notes. These 7 swaras should be in perfect order, such as Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Dha, Ni. A That must be capable of giving birth to a raga. A That is not supposed to have both Aroha and Avroha. Rather, it has only an Aroha of 7 swaras. A That can include Komal and Tivra forms of the same note.
What is a raga?
Is a raga. A raga means that which gives us pleasure and ultimately leads to spiritual sublimity. Here are the distinctive features of raga. Any and every tune cannot be called a raga unless it obeys the following distinctive conditions. Every raga must belong to its Janak That. A raga should have at least 5 swaras and maximum 7 swaras. For this purpose, they have been allotted jati, such as the ragas having 5 swaras belong to Audav jati, having 6 swaras belong to Shadav Jati and having 7 swaras belong to Sampurna Jati. These 3 jatis further give birth to interrelated 9 kinds. Every raga must have its Vadi, Samvadi and Anuvadi swaras. Vadi is the chief swara. Samvadi is next to Vadi in importance, and the remaining swaras are known as Anuvadi.
What are Aroh, Avroh and Pakad?
Aroha, ascending order of swaras. This is an important component in the usage of raga. Without Aroha, no raga can be possible. It shows how many swaras are used in the ascending order of raga, such as in Rag Bihag, Sa Ga Ma Pa Ni Sa, 5 swaras are used, whereas in Rag Bhairav, Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Da Ni Sa, all swaras are used. Avroha, descending order of swaras. Just like ascending order or Aroha, descending order of swaras is called Avroha, such as in Rag Bhairav, all swaras are used. Sa Ni Dha Pa Ma Ga Re Sa. Whereas in Vrindavani Sarang, only 5 swaras are used, such as Sa Ni Pa Ma Re Sa. Pakad, a particular note combination by which a raga is recognized. Pakad is that essential feature of raga by which the whole framework of raga emerges. For example, the pakad of Rag Bhairav is Ga Ma Dha Pa Ga Ma. By this particular note combination or Vishesh Swar Sangati or Pakad, the whole framework of Rag Bhairav gets present.
I have already told about the salient features of Rag Bhairav. Now, we will revise all salient features in singing. Let us take Aroh, Avroh, Pakad or Mukhyang of Rag Bhairav.
Aroha and Avroha of Rag Bhairav is Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Dha Ni Sa, Sa Ni Dha Pa Ma Ga Re Sa. Particular note combination is Ga Ma Dha Pa Ga Ma